Are you nervous about selling your home because there's limited inventory available? Are you afraid that if you sell, you won't be able to find a replacement home? Of course you are. I would be nervous too. It's your home. I totally understand. Hi, I'm Kami with KamiHallRealEstate.com, powered by TCRE. We've got so many solutions and strategies to find your replacement home, even with limited inventory, that we can discuss when we meet. One solution is to look at new construction. There are several communities locally, and I have an excellent relationship with them. It's super important to work with a real estate agent when purchasing new construction so that you have protection, but that's an entirely new video series. Many times, builders with new construction have homes that have actually fallen out of escrow. They want to sell those homes quickly because of the carrying cost associated with them. Another safety net, if you're worried about finding a replacement home, is that there are several phases of construction, so you could find a home now, but you wouldn't have to move until a later date. You could put a deposit down on a new home, and then we would negotiate terms to keep you safe. This way you wouldn't have to worry about having somewhere else to go. We have so many solutions in helping you get a home, even with limited inventory, so give me a call today. And don't worry, there's never any pressure or obligation meeting with me. I truly am just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling. If you want to see more videos right now about solutions to selling with limited inventory and how we can help you navigate through the fear of not being able to find a replacement home, please just click the link below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. As always, I'm Kami Hall, making dreams a reality one home at a time. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.